G'day, thanks for stopping by. Booked a visit to the rural New South Wales town of Lockhart, and we're very surprised to find this gem of a place. About 4 hours from Melbourne, 5 hours from Sydney, and located in the New South Wales Riverina region, the town of Lockhart is actually classified by the National Trust. Here we are at the Lockhart Caravan Park, a nice little park on the edge of town by the Brookong Creek. Power and water hookup, $24 a night. Sites were pretty level and good size for our large van. The amenities were clean daily, and overall, this is a park we would go back to. Such a small town, we were surprised at how much there is to see and do here in Lockhart. From strolling the main street to walks in the bush, exploring the artwork on display around town and visiting nearby wineries. The main street in Lockhart, Green Street, was quite impressive, with its heritage streetscape and restored buildings, those verandas. Lockhart is known as the Verandah Town. One of our favourites in Lockhart was checking out the Sculpture and Heritage Trail, an easy walk around town, and we were impressed with the artwork on display. Made from old farm machinery and equipment, the metal art celebrates the resilience of those who live and work on the land. The Information Centre here is certainly worth a visit and very helpful. Just behind the Information Centre is the Gunyah Museum, with an intriguing collection of artefacts and home to the Doris wool art gallery. For a small entrance fee, it's well worth a visit. The wool art was incredible. You'd swear it was a painting. And to wind up our time here at Lockhart, we added a trip to the famous Lockhart Water Tower with its beautiful Rosella mural. Thanks for stopping by. Hope we see you next time as we keep looking for new places to visit and explore.